Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V2 Visionary, and I've been building a Road King with Jim Imes before his passing all last year. And now we are bringing it to Sturgis. It will be in the Rockford Fosgate booth. The guys, I should say my homies at SBC Performance, saw that I had stock floorboards on it and pretty much stopped their machines and made me a set of polished floorboards for them. And I was telling them, man, I love their floorboards design. These dudes are hitting it out of the park on a bunch of stuff. So to see SBC kind of just drop whatever they're doing and make me a set of these beautifully machined floorboards, I was pretty stoked. So I'm giving them a personal shout out for making sure this stuff happens. But man, if you look at these things, they're beautifully chamfered all the way around. The machining is insane. Of course, there's some adjustments to the floorboards here. It's all billet aluminum, made in the USA. I can't say enough about the dudes that run the company, the dudes that own the company, and the company's products. So hey man, if you haven't seen anything from SBC Performance before,